Are you Hanaya Group from Australia? May I see your travel voucher or your passport, please? Alright, so this is Mr. Akasa from Hanaya Group, settled by Ubud Bali Tour, alright? So welcome to Ngurah Rai International Airport and welcome to Indonesia, especially welcome to Bali, the island of paradise. So allow me introduce myself. My name is Asik Malika. You can call me Asik, and I'm from Bali Ubud Tour, and I'm as your guide during your holiday in Ubud. May I know your name? So you, what's your name? And you, what's your name? Alright, so nice to meet all of you guys. So I have something for this group. This is batik sarung, and this is for you. Mr. Akasa, could you help me to collect your luggage tags, please? Alright, thank you. So the total luggage in this group is 8 suitcases, alright? Ladies and gentlemen, please wait here. I will call the porter to arrange your luggage. If you want to go to the toilet is over there. And if you want to buy some snack, you can go there. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 10 minutes, so after that, gather here again, please. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, your luggage is already on the bus. Before we leaving the airport, please make sure you don't leave anything, especially your important document. Well, ladies and gentlemen, because it's all already complete, let's we go to our bus. Our bus is over there, the white one with a blue stripe. This way, after me, please. Alright, so this is our bus. Please enter to the bus one by one. Mind your step and mind your hand, please. Ladies and gentlemen, is everyone on the bus? Okay, so good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on the board of Ubud Bali Tour. And may I know how was your flight? Are you enjoy with your flight? Alright, so I'm glad to hear it. Alright, so allow me introduce our partner today. On my left side is Mr. Putra. He is a professional driver. On my right side is Mr. Arjun as the assistant driver. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are leaving Ngurah Rai Airport and go to Ubud Center, where is the hotel you stay while in Bali. It takes around 1 hour. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very glad to be your tour guide today, and I hope you will enjoy the trip. First of all, I would like to ask if is it your first time come to Bali? Alright, so because this is your first time come to Bali, I would like to tell you about Indonesia and Bali at glance. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to tell you about Indonesia at glance first. So the capital city of Indonesia is Jakarta. Indonesia has 34 provinces with over 230 million people, and Indonesia is divided into 3 time zones. There are Western Indonesian Time, Central Indonesian Time, and Eastern Indonesian Time. And Bali use Central Indonesian Time as time zone. And Indonesia is divided into 2 seasons. There are rainy season and dry season. Rainy season is from November to May, and dry season is from June to October. Bahasa Indonesia is the national language, while there are many spoken local languages by ethnic group in village Indonesia. Indonesia has 6 religions. There are Muslim, Hindu, Buddhist, Catholic, Confucius, and the currency of Indonesia money is rupiah. And now I would like to tell you about Bali in general. Bali is one of the most beautiful islands in Indonesia. The capital city of Bali is Denpasar City, and the total population in Bali is. And now I would like to tell you about Bali in general. Bali is one of the most beautiful islands in Indonesia. The capital city of Bali is Denpasar City. And the total population in Bali is more than 4 million people, and the majority of religion in Bali is Hindu. Religious ceremonies are often held and accompanied by dancer performance. The temples are found everywhere in the mountains, valley, plains, and on the beach. The anniversary of the temple is called Temple Festival or Odolan, and in Bali is usually celebrated once in 6 Balinese calendar. The temple is called Temple Festival or Odolan, and in Bali is usually celebrated once in 6 Balinese calendar or every 100 days, and sometimes once a year according to Balinese calendar. Anyways, the weather in Bali is hot now, so I suggested you to drink of water to avoid your dehydration. Ladies and gentlemen, I have full day tour program for this group during your holiday in Bali, especially in Ubud. Ubud day tour is full day tour around Ubud area. The tour is last 10 hours and started at 9 a.m. by pick you up from your hotel. The Ubud tours offers a memorable trip for who want to explore more about best destination and culture of the Ubud. Places will be visiting such as Barong Dance, Performance Tegenungan Waterfall, Kemenuh Butterfly Park, Ubud Royal Palace, Saraswati Temple, Ubud, and Ubud Arts Market. Ladies and gentlemen, I promise you are going to enjoy your stay here in Ubud, because Ubud is a beautiful center with a unique culture, custom, tradition, and beautiful tourist attraction. You also can walk around area in Ubud and feel very safe. You can take short bus ride from your hotel. There you will also enjoy entertainment and dancing, and you can also buy ticket over there. Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to exchange your dollar, please use a bank or money exchange. We don't recommend it to exchange your money at hotel because you won't get a fair rate. Some restaurants will accept American or Canadian money, but you are better off to exchange your money and pay with cash. Or if you prefer, you can always use your credit card. Also, if you want good to get around the city, we recommend it that you take the local bus rather than a taxi. The bus costs about $1 and the driver can give you change if you don't have the extra small. If you decided to take a taxi, make sure that you negotiated a price before you choose it. May I have your attention, please? Well, ladies and gentlemen, the visitor who come to Bali can rent many kind of vehicles. The cheapest vehicle to rent is motorbike. Motorbike is the favorite vehicle for the young and the old. It can rent be for a day, a week, or a month. The cheapest way to around Bali is by taking public transport. A small group of visitors can rent a taxi, and more than 4 can rent minibus, and more than 8 can rent a bus. Ladies and gentlemen, the unique vehicle is Doka. It's a horse-drawn carriage. Ladies and gentlemen, Bali is popular because of unique culture, custom, tradition, and beautiful tourist attraction. So that's many tourists interested to come and visit this island. The example is Ubud. Ubud is a district formerly was a small kingdom, but it has become famous tourist resort nowadays. The development of this village had begun with the arrival of Walter Speicher, a small-scale bronze a German artist in the years of 20s, and he established an art group called Pitamaha. Later, Rudolf Bonnet, as a Dutch painter, was appointed by the institution of the Museum Puri Lukisan. In Puri Lukisan, there are the best traditional paintings are kept. I will tell you there are a lot of tourist attractions in Ubud, like Barong and Rangde dance. The Barong and Rangde dance is Bali mass dance. Storytelling dance, most known as the classic dance, often plays is every ritual ceremony at the temple. Barong Rangde dance is a figure in Balinese mythology who is symbolized by Rua Bineda. Rua Bineda is the main goddess and evil. Now the Barong dance is also can be enjoyed by tourists located in Batu Bulan village. The Barong dance performance is started at 9:30 a.m. In Ubud, there are also best destination. There is a Kemenuh Butterfly Park. Kemenuh Butterfly Park is a new tourist attraction located in Kemenuh village, approximately 3 minutes from Tegenungan Waterfall. This tourist attraction offers you the experience of seeing a group of butterflies flying in flowers garden. You can also see collection of various types of cocoons with unique shapes and also the breeding of butterflies. Do you know guys, in Ubud there are also famous tourist attraction. The name is Tegenungan Waterfall. Tegenungan Waterfall is the second large waterfall in Bali after Gigit Waterfall. This tourist attraction is very popular among tourists because it is located in the Ubud area, which is very easily accessible from various places in Bali. This waterfall is about 15 minutes from Ubud or about 16 minutes from Denpasar. Tegenungan Waterfalls offers a very beautiful view which is really pleasant with green. Ladies and gentlemen, in Ubud is also famous with one of tourist attraction. The name is Ubud Royal Palace. Ubud Royal Palace stands majestically right in the middle of Ubud town. The Ubud Royal Palace is used as a government center in the ancient kingdom in Bali. This place is a synonym with the beauty of Balinese art, where this building was built magnificently with traditional Balinese carving patterns. Next is one of the best tourist attraction in Ubud. The name is Saraswati Temple. Saraswati Temple, Dewi Saraswati as the goddess of knowledge in Balinese Hinduism. This temple is decorated with ponds and lotus flower that grow in it. Pura Saraswati was built in 1951 until 1952, made in royal era in Bali by a very famous Balinese artist named I Gusti Nyoman Lempak. Ladies and gentlemen, now we have arrived in your hotel. The name is your hotel is Pertiwi Resorts, and I want to say welcome to your hotel. And please prepare your vouchers, passport, and the airline ticket. And when you get down from the bus, please check your belonging in order nothing left in the car. Alright, so have you done? Alright, so I will escort you go to the reception and please complete your registration. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you already complete your registration, I hope you have a pleasant stay here. If you have any troubles, please call me. I will be happy to assist you, and this is my phone number 004-182 and 3245. When you call me and if I'm not at the office, please just leave the message and I will call you back. And see you tomorrow and have a nice day here. Bye bye.